Hi, how are you? I'm fine. So, are you ready for the next sound? Great. So, today the sound is all about A, A, A. So, as you see, the first word for today, make, make. M-A-K, make. Cake, cake. K-A-K, cake. Take, take. T-A-K, take. Bake, B-A-K, bake. Can you try to spell these words? Shake, shake. Sh-A-K, shake. Did you guess it? Great. S-H-A-K-E, shake. The second word for today, fake, fake. F-A-K. Did you guess it? That's nice. Fake. F-A-K-E, fake. Now, the third letter for today, lake, lake. A-A-K, lake. Did you guess it? Great. A-A-K, lake. L-A-K-E. So today, with the sound A, you did wonderfully well. See you in another session. Thank you.